Hello class 10. Let us continue the chapter right circular cone, exercise 16. I am going to the sum number 2, that is, let us determine the volume of the cone when base area is 1.54 square meter and height is 2.4 meter. And second one is the length of base diameter is 21 meter and slant height is 17.5 meter. First one is base area 2, sum number 2. First one is base area equal to 1.54 square meter and height h equal to 2.4 meter. Let the radius of the base equal to r meter. So base area pi r square equal to 1.54. This is given, r square equal to 1.54 by 22 into 700. So 7 into 7 by 10 into 10. Therefore r equal to 7 by 10. Okay. Volume of the cone. Then volume of the cone. We cannot take r equal to minus 7 by 10 because radius is positive. Volume of the cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h meter cube equal to 1/3 into 22 by 7 into r means 7 into 7 by 10 into 10 into h equal to 2.4. After calculation we can write this is equal to 1.232 meter cube. meter cube. meter cube. This is equal to 1.232 meter cube. This is first one. And the second one is when base diameter equal to 21 meter, that is base radius, that means radius of the base equal to 21 by 2 meter. Okay, equal to 10.5 meter. Slant height equal to L equal to 17.5 centimeter. This is centimeter and also centimeter. We know L square equal to h square plus r square. H square equal to L square equal to 17.5, h square plus r square 10.5 whole square, that is h square equal to 17.5 whole square minus 10.5 whole square. 17.5 plus 10.5, 17.5 minus 10.5 equal to 28 into 7, that is 7 into 4 in 7 into 4. Therefore h equal to plus minus 7 into 2 equal to plus minus 14. H equal to plus 14. By the same reason h not equal to minus 14. volume equal to volume equal to 1/3 pi r square h centimeter cube or cubic centimeter equal to 1/3 into 22/7 into 10.5 whole square into 14. This is equal to 1617 cubic centimeter. Sum number 4. If the height and slant height of cone is 6 cm and 10 cm respectively, let us determine total surface area and volume of the cone. Sum number 4. Given height, that is h equal to 6 cm, and slant height, that is L equal to 10 centimeter. This is the picture. Okay. This is 6, this is 10, this equal to R. We know L square equal to h square plus R square, that is 10 square equal to 6 square plus R square, that is R square equal to 10 square minus 6 square, that is 100 minus 36 equal to 64, that is R equal to plus minus 8. By the same reason we can write R equal to plus 8. We can't take R equal to minus 8. And so total surface area equal to pi r L into R plus L, we know this is square centimeter, equal to 22/7 into R equal to 8 into pi r into R plus R plus L, pi r into R plus L. This is equal to 8 plus L equal to 10 cubic centimeter, equal to 22/7 into 8 into 18, equal to 3168/7 equal to 4524/7 square centimeter. And volume equal to 1/3 pi r square h, that is 1/3 into 22 into 8 into 8 into 6, this is cubic centimeter, till 3 to the 6 2816/7 equal to 4022/7 cubic centimeter. Okay. Next sum is sum number 5. 77 square meter triple is required to make a right circular conical tent. If the slant height of the tent is 7 meter, then let us write by calculating the base area of the tent. That is 77 square meter triple is required to make a right circular conical tent. This is a triple is required to make a right circular tent, that is curved surface area, that is pi r L here. Sum number 6. This is sum number 6. This is sum number 6. that is pi RL equal to 77 square centimeter. Here it is given. I know L equal to 7 and pi RL equal to 77, that is 22 by 7 into R into 7 equal to 77. 7 R equal to 77 by 22, 7 by 2, that is 7 by 2, R equal to 7 by 2. And base area equal to pi R square meter square. This is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This is 7 meter square. 22 into 7, 11, 77 by 2. This is equal to 38, 1 by 2 meter square. This is the base area. This is sum number 6. And sum number 5 is if the volume of a right circular cone is 100 by centimeter cube and height is 12 centimeter, let us write the slant height of the cone. Here it is given that volume. I know volume equal to sum number 5. I know volume equal to 1/3 pi R square H. This is equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. Pi cancel out. And here H equal to 12. So I can write 12 equal to 100. This is 4, that is R square equal to 100 by 4, that is 25, that is R equal to plus minus 5. I take R equal to 5 and R not equal to minus 5 by the same reason, and calculate slant height of the cone. Here H equal to 12, R equal to H equal to 12, R equal to 5, I know L square equal to H square plus R square, that is 12 square plus 5 square equal to 144 plus 25 equal to 169 equal to 13 square, that is L equal to plus minus 13. L equal to 13, I can take it, but L not equal to minus 13, length is not negative, so slant height is plus 13 centimeter. And I'll go in sum number 7. Sum number 7 is the base area of a right circular cone is 21 centimeter. Base area 21 centimeter, that is base area means base of the right circular cone, that is pi R square. This is equal to pi R square equal to 21. Sorry, this is not base area, it is wrong. Diameter, the diameter of the base, diameter of the base equal to 21 meter, that is radius equal to 21 by 2 meter, and height equal to radius R, height H equal to 14 meter. Curved surface area, pi RL 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 14. This is 77 into 21. Sorry, pi RL. I don't know about L. I know L square equal to H square plus R square. This is equal to 21 by 2 whole square plus 4 square 14 square. This is equal to 10.5 square plus 14 square. This is equal to 306.25. Therefore L equal to 17.5. After calculation I can write L equal to 17.55 and here I can write 17.5. This is meter square. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 17.5. This is equal to 577.5. It is square meter. And total expenditure of color of the curved surface, area of the cone at 1.50 per square meter equal to 577.5 into 1.50 rupees. It is equal to rupees 866.25. I am ending here. The next sum will come in next video.